Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming to you from beautiful Pasco County, Florida. We are at 4923 Hazner Street in Newport Richey. We've got a one bedroom, one bathroom, 540 square foot condo right behind me here in a beautiful located complex here, low HOA fee, just a quiet community, not far from the beach, not far from shopping. Let's get in here and take a look at this place at 4923 Hazner Street, Newport Richey. Beautiful one bedroom, one bath. Come on inside, let's take a look. All right, as we walk into this beautiful one bedroom, one bath condo here in Newport Richey, this is Newport Colony complex here. Again, you got beautiful laminate flooring on, updated laminate flooring on the floors. 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets, updated outlets. Looks like they're all updated here recently in the living area. Again, this is 400 or 540 square foot, so it's definitely a smaller one bedroom, one bath condo, and it is 55 plus. So you have to be 55 or older to live in this community here. The community is beautiful, and you'll see that as we show you the drive around. You're going to have a pool, shuffleboard, all kinds of things. You're just, let me see, you're just off of US 19. You have tons of shopping just right at the beginning of the complex here. It'd take you probably 5 minutes to walk to grocery stores, any type of shopping you have on US 19 right there, which is the main thoroughfare through up through the west coast of Pinellas County. You got everything just right there. You're going to be about 15 minutes from the Tarpon Springs Sponge Docks. That's just south of us here. If you've never been there, definitely got to go take a look at that. Beautiful Greek community down there with great food, great bars, great all kinds of entertainment down there. You definitely got to check that out. And from this location, you're just 10 minutes from the beach. You're 10 minutes from the Gulf Harbor Beach Club, which is just 10 minutes, I believe it's just north of us here. You could be toes in the sand, less than 10 minutes from this complex. Again, it's a one bedroom, one bathroom complex in the colony. This is the Newport Colony, excuse me. All right, first you have some updated window behind me here. You're gonna have 2 windows on either side. You have a living, dining area. You got a light fixture overhead, AC return right here, and off to my left you're going to have a kitchen. It's a galley style kitchen for a smaller unit like we have here. As we come into here, you're going to have your this aluminum, or it might be a metal sink with porcelain cover on it here, double sink, faucet, sprayer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upper cabinets. You're going to have lower cabinets. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lower cabinets, 4 drawers. Off to my right here, you're going to have a hot point 4-burner cooktop stove with oven underneath. You got a kitchen vent hood up above. You're going to have 1 lower cabinet with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upper cabinets right here. You'd have GE under fridge right here working good. I just felt that works perfect. And as you come out of here, you're going to come back to my left here. You're going to have, actually right here, you're going to have your breaker box panel, and it's all nice and numbered there. Everything's up to date. AC's working perfect in here as well. As we come over here, you're going to have closet, coat closet. You have a bar with one level up top. Looks like they left some leftover paint here for you, just in case you need to, if you purchase this and need to touch up anywhere, you got some leftover paint in there as well. And the laminate floor goes into this closet here. This closet right here is going to be your hot water heater. Looks like it's newer there. Looks like it might be within the last 5 to 6 years, possibly. Then you got 2 more shelves up above you there. To my right is going to be your bathroom, your only bathroom in this unit here. If Sam wants to come around, you can see you do have the laminate flooring all the way through here, and it follows you into the bathroom. You have a sink, faucet, larger mirror, overhead light with a medicine cabinet to the left, updated GFCI right here with switches, 2 cabinets down below. You got your toilet and you got your tub, shower combination with tile 3/4 of the way up the wall there. You got a towel bar here. You got a door, so it's definitely not real big, but it's perfect for a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Now let's go into your 1 bedroom and we'll see. I guess I'll follow Sam right into the 1 bedroom. Now, as you come out of your bathroom here, only bathroom in the place, You're coming back to your single bedroom in here. You got a updated window right there that looks out to the back of the complex and other units in the building. Still the beautiful laminate flooring in here as well. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3 outlets, all been updated. Switches have been updated. You got your AC, and you got a little bit of attic storage space up there. We didn't get up in there. I didn't want to, not sure what's up in there, so I didn't want to get in there. But you do have double closets on either side, so you have tons of space for this. And these are actually 2 separate closets. So you have this closet comes from the wall to right about here, and then you have another one that comes from here all the way to the wall. So you definitely got plenty of closet space in this 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit here in Newport Colony. It's a beautiful condo. HOAs are unbelievable in this unit. The HOAs per month are $199 a month. With that, let me read what you get. With the $199 a month HOA, you get community pool, maintenance exterior, the maintenance ground, the manager, pest control, pool maintenance, recreational facility, sewer, trash, and water is included with $199 a month, which is unheard of with HOAs in the Pinellas County area. Majority of these condos that you come through, especially with the 1 bedrooms and 1 baths, are going to be up closer to $300 to $400 range for what this community has to offer. Again, you can see all the windows, a lot of light comes into this area. The AC is working great. We just got here about 20 minutes ago. We turned it down just a little bit to cool it off in here, and it is absolutely beautiful in here. Again, you have another small little area here where you can probably put a little table and have like a little dining area for you. This would be your perfect snowbird's nest. Even if you want to rent this property, you could probably get, I would imagine, anywhere from $600 to $800 a month for this property. There is no rent restrictions. You can purchase this and immediately rent this property out if you want. And as you come back out into the living here, again, just all of these big windows add a lot of light into this unit here. And again, it's 540 square foot, but it does have a lot of space in here. It seems like it has a lot of space just because of the windows and the lighting and everything you have here. So now let's go back through where we're at here. We're at 4923 Hazner Street in Newport Richey, Florida. This is the Newport Colony Complex. We're 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 540 square foot. It is a 55 plus. The taxes on this property are going to be $512 a year. That's it. So you're going to have $512 a year in taxes and $199 per month in HOA fees, and that's it. You don't have to do anything with that. All the HOA fees take care of all of the lawn maintenance. The pool will show you that. The shuffleboard, everything that's in this complex is taken care of at that $199. Again, this is just a beautiful complex here, a beautiful condo here, completely new paint on the walls, new flooring, updated outlets around the complex. And you'll see in the drive around just how well maintained this community is. The pool is. There's a lot of activity going on here. Again, this whole community is 55 plus, so you do have a great community to come into. Again, this property, the location on this property is outstanding. You're just off of US 19, which is right at the beginning of the complex, probably 2 blocks away. You're going to have shopping, grocery stores just at the beginning of the complex. You could fly in, Uber to your unit, and not have to have a car. You have all your shopping right there. You can Uber to the beach 10 minutes just west of us here. That's going to be at the Gulf Harbors Beach Club, is just 10 minutes away. You're just 15 minutes north of the Tarpon Springs boat docks there, the sponge docks there, which definitely, like I said before, you have to go check that out. It's a beautiful Greek community with outstanding restaurants and bars and entertainment. And they go still get sponges the old way, to go out in the boat and grab them off the bottom of the Gulf of Mexico. It's just a great entertainment there. If you're going to purchase this condo and you want to come and stay for the weekend or stay for however many you want to stay, how long you want to stay, if you want to keep it as a snowbird's nest, you're going to fly into the Tampa International Airport. That is just 45 minutes just east of us here. So you could fly in, be at your unit here in less than 45 minutes to enjoy this beautiful weather that we have here. So again, we're at 4923 Hazner Street, Newport Richey, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 540 square foot, beautifully updated condominium, 55 plus condominium here in the Newport Colony complex. This is going to be a great property to purchase and hold on to. So good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.